So it's been a while since I've done one of these for Uniview. There's lots and lots of interesting and new products. Today we're going to do the ANPR camera, which is the automatic number plate recognition, which is really interesting. So we'll crack on, have a look at it. Okay guys, so this is the Uniview LPR or ANPR camera, automatic number plate recognition camera. It's based on the 262 bullet camera model, but it is a specialised camera. It does have specialised firmware, so it's not a case of just upgrading existing camera. You have to get the ANPR camera. So just looking at this on the outside, it is the model number. I'll put that in the comments down below. It's an IPC 262 EBR9 DUP ZIT. So it's got a motorised zoom on it of 4 to 44mm. So a nice big zoom on that, which would be very useful for an installation. It's a 2 megapixel camera. It is a Starlight camera, and as I said, it's the license plate camera. So let's open it up and have a look. Quite excited. Okay, so on the inside we have our standard regulatory notes, Allen keys, screws, and some wall sockets there for mounting. We'll probably use something a little bit more substantial on the screws that come with it. On the inside we've got our waterproof RJ45 connector. Do make sure you use those. Don't see cameras coming back with returns where water's got into the RJ45, which we do from time to time. So here's the camera. As you'd expect from a Pro Series camera, it's got all sorts of accessory cables with this camera. So starting here, obviously we've got a coaxial BNC video out. We've got our RJ45. It is a PoE camera, but you can also have a 12-volt input to it as well, which is really good for redundancy, which you can have connected to a power supply perhaps. Then we've got things like RS485, so really useful for third-party integration to gate controllers, barrier control, that sort of thing. We have the orange and white, which is the alarm out, so that could be just a standard relay out. So normally open, normally closed, if you want to control something from the camera. So trigger an event. We've got the alarm input, so that could be a third-party alarm input from a PIR or a third-party application. We've got audio in, and I'm guessing this one's going to be audio out, which it is. So yeah, lots of options there. We'll do a more detailed setup and configuration guide. Here's our camera. As you can see on the top, it's got a sun shield, which you can adjust backwards and forwards. You've got the infrared on the front here, and you've got that large motorized zoom on it, which is, as I said, 4 to 44mm, I think, on this one. So yeah, really nice camera, nice and solid. The sun shield's plastic, but apart from that, everything else on it is metal. Standard mounting accessories, so you can pole mount it, you can wall mount it. The bracket itself is worth looking at. It has a standard ball joint, you can see that there. So you can adjust the camera, either up or down, or left or right, and you twist the back depending on what adjustment you want. So you can only do adjustment one way, left or right, or up or down. So yeah, important to get your installation point correct with this camera. I'll show you how we've done ours. I'll mount this outside and we'll have a look. So as you can see, we've mounted our camera now, and if I turn around here, you can see that's where it's looking at, the entranceway. I've measured it and it's about 25 to 30 meters. So we're right on the edge of what we can do, but yeah, we'll give it a go. The important thing to remember is that you do need to take some time and patience. There's a lot of settings on this camera. I'll do a more detailed video on the setup and configuration, but yeah, you need a bit of trial and error, a bit of time, a bit of patience to get the best results from this camera. Okay, so back to the NVR. Let's have a look at how we're going to display the ANPR results on the NVR via the database. We'll do a search for a registration. You just need the first 3 characters. They must be entered in capitals when you're doing a search. If you know the exact number plate that you're looking for, of course you could put the full registration in and do a search over a longer period of time. So here we're going to do some playback at various different times of day for those vehicles with the registration CRK. With a large number of results, it might be easier just to have a look at the search results from a table view, and you can certainly do that. So this is a chart view. We click on table, and here our results are listed on the table. So smart event search is the next one I'm showing you here. So the smart event, the VCA event, is indicated by the red line. And here we can play our events. This is a very good way of doing a search if you know roughly the approximate time of the car registration that you're looking for. And finally, event search. I like this. You can easily zoom in, control the playback, and use the digital zoom feature. So here's our car. We click on the digital zoom. We can easily view our number plate from there. Okay, so one more live view. This is the live view direct from the web interface of the ANPR camera. This is the live view. It lists the recent ANPR captures with a photo for review. I'll do a separate video, as I said, for the video for the setup and configuration. However, since we're looking at the web interface of the camera, just to have a look at a few of the settings on the camera where you do the configuration for the detection zones, and also the image settings, which are so important to get this correct results. So here I'm showing you using scenes. So I've got different scenes. I've got them set up on a schedule for different times of day. So this is the nighttime scene. So you can see it starts at 6:30 at night and goes till 7 in the morning. And then I've got my daytime scene. And I just to use those scene settings, just tick the box enable auto switching. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you found it useful. Please do subscribe. I'll be doing a lot more of these videos over the next few weeks, so I look forward to seeing you on the next video.
CRK, Professional Precision.